look in the bag.
We spent thing on this.
It's your kick kick.
You see the puppy dog? Call him.
Are they eating that kick kick?
And do a video of him.
They eating that kick kick?
Tell him to come see you a minute. Say, come on over here and see me a minute. There's Mikey. Say, hey, Mikey. Say, hey, little
Baby
girl. Hey, little girl.
Baby girl gonna try to come and get your crumbs. Yeah. Tell her about it.
Hello. Say, you ought to see me at the beach today. Say, I had a good time, little girl. Say, would you like to go to the beach? What's your little girl doing? Talk to her. Tell her, hey. Say, hey. Say, hey, Mikey.
Don't forget him talking, he's gonna get killed.
Oh, here. Call little girl. Say, hey, little girl, come see me.
There's chicken all over him.
I'm doing a video.
Yeah, he got enough clothes in James. Yeah.
You tell him, say, come here, little girl, and talk to me.
There
Just
she
talk to
comes.
me a little bit, little girl. Say, hello. How you doing? Say, hey, little girl. Talk to her and tell her about going to the beach. Say, you like them big waves, down there. Say, it's lots of fun. It's lots of fun, little girl. You gonna talk to her?
No, I'm eating right now.